I'm Jennifer Elliott of San Clemente Estate Law. When my clients leave my office after having signed their estate plan, they leave with a binder like this. This San Clemente Estate Law binder includes all of their original documents. Everything is tabbed and organized, their will, their trust, their powers of attorney, everything is here, along with my card so their trustees can reach me later. There's a very important tab in here. This is called personal information. This is where we put legacy letters, and that's what I'd like to talk to you about today. Even if you don't have an estate plan in place, if you're at home and you're thinking about, I don't know if I should get a will or a trust, call us. Those are the questions we'll answer for you. But you could do something right now. You can sit down and write a legacy letter for your loved ones. What is a legacy letter? It is rooted in the Jewish faith, and they call them ethical wills. I learned about this from Rabbi Dr. Mark Goldfarb. Now, even if you're not Jewish, you can use this right away. I can tell you that your family members are happy to receive your bank accounts when you pass away, but there is something that is even more valuable to them than the cash and the tangible things that we leave behind when we die, and that is a legacy letter. Let me tell you what that includes. So a legacy letter, it's more than just the material possessions that we leave our family. These are the stories, the traditions, the memories, all of the things that you want to tell your kids during your lifetime, but they're busy, they don't remember. These are the things that they want to hear about, especially when you passed away. Having that legacy letter for them is going to become their most treasured possession. So writing a legacy letter, it does require you to focus on your mortality. However, we are all going to die. It's not if we're going to die, it's when we're going to die. So we can plan ahead and make sure it happens on our own terms and our loved ones receive everything that we want to leave them. We can make sure that we say all of those things that we mean to say before we go. So here's some ideas for what you should consider including in your legacy letter. What about talking about the traits that you admire most in others, or important things that you've learned in life? Is there a poem, a song, a Bible verse, or a motto that captures how you tried to live your life? What important work have you begun that you hope your kids and loved ones will continue? Are there some favorite possessions that you have, and it's important to you that they also understand how come those are treasured possessions for you? Personally, I have a teaspoon in my silverware drawer, completely mismatched. It doesn't match any of my other silverware sets, and if you saw it, someone might think, why doesn't she just throw that away? That doesn't go with anything. That teaspoon belonged to my grandmother, and that's one of the few things I have of hers. I treasure that teaspoon, and I want my kids to know why that is important to me. So I'm going to include that in my legacy letter. You might also consider, these are some causes for which members of our family have felt a sense of responsibility, and I hope you do too. Or there's a charity that I'm passionate about, and this is why. Or I'm a member of this church, and I hope that you'll consider this faith as well. You might also consider writing about people who have influenced you the most. How about including your definition of success, or this is how I feel as I look back at my life? What have you included in your legacy letter? I would like to ask your forgiveness for, and I forgive you for. I want you to know how much I love you and how grateful I am for you. These are the words that our loved ones deserve to hear, long to hear after we've passed. If you have questions about legacy letters and how to incorporate them into your estate plan, please call us at San Clemente Estate Law, 949-420-0025. You can also reach us on the web, sanclementeestatelaw.com.